boys and girls, I cannot wait for us to start school on Monday. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how you're going to join class on Monday. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the waffle. The waffle is the 9 dots. Again, you're going to click the waffle or the 9 dots. You're going to go to classroom. You're going to look for the classroom that says Miss Breed's homeroom or your teacher's homeroom. And you're going to click the camera. You're going to click join, and this screen won't pop up because I'll already be there. This is your mute button. I want you to turn off your microphone, and I want you to turn on your camera. If your camera is not working, go to the 3 dots on the side, click switch camera, and make sure it is on integrated webcam. If you would like to see all your other friends, I would recommend downloading the Google Meet extension fix. So you're going to go to Google, you're going to type in Google Meet extension grid view fix. It's going to say Google Meet Grid View Fix. It's going to look just like this. You're going to click Add to Chrome. When you're in our meeting, you're going to click this to make sure it's on, and it will show all of our friends. I can't wait to see you on the first day.